Hi, my name is Ramel Jason Esarilla. I'm actually from Carmona, Cavite. I really love time zone because time zone is actually my self place when I feel so stressed or overwhelmed sa life. Yung mga arcades na ina-offer ni time zone, yung mga games, and actually the prizes that I was winning, ibang-iba talaga siya pag nanalo ka na ng prizes. That's why I love time zone. I share it with my friends. So every time na may mga free time kami, kasi alam niyo naman ngayon lalo na matatanda na kami. So bihira kami magkita. But when it comes na magkaroon kami ng free time, time zone is our place to go where we play some games, compete, and have fun. Way back 2012, I was at high school that time, well, pakitotoo. So high school pa ako that time. First time ko pumasok sa time zone. So typically, akala ko pag arcade game, claw machine, mga pipindot-pindot lang sa mga arcade games like that. Pero yung time zone, it gives me a different world how I see arcade games, entertainment. Kasi sa time zone, meron dito bowling, merong karaoke, merong mga claw machine, and a different lot of arcades na para sa akin sa time zone lang makikita, and iba yung feeling talaga kapag naglalaro ka dito sa time zone. Time zone is actually not your ordinary arcade game. Time zone has a different variety that can definitely offer regardless if you're a kid, kids at heart, Gen Z, millennial, or any age. Sa time zone may offer sila sa'yo. You know, just go here at time zone, have fun, and release your stress. And paglabas mo sa time zone, parang ibang tao pa na talaga.